in one village, two farmers were going to the market. Farmers going to the market because they have some vegetables are there. They will go to the market and they will sell those vegetables there and getting some money. Like two farmers, two farmers were going to the market. One farmer had a strong bullock cart. One farmer had a strong bullock cart. Another farmer had a weak old cart. Weak old cart. Okay. So the second farmer said, my cart is very weak. My cart means that vehicle, that what we call a bandi. Okay. Is a very weak. Please keep all my bags also in your cart because your cart is very strong. Next, you are my best friend. Can you please take all the bags related to me also on your cart like he requested? Then obviously the first farmer is a very kind-hearted person, good heart, kind-hearted person. Oh, he said, okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. My cart is very strong. Okay, no problem. Like he loaded his own bags, then he loaded his friend's bags also. But after traveling some distance, the road became rough. The bullocks became tired. The wheels started shaking. The cart becomes too heavy. Suddenly, one wheel broke. Now, both farmers struck in the middle only. The first farmer lost time. His own goods also were damaged because within the time it won't go to the market. Damaged. His friend also could not reach the market. The old man passing there said, helping is good. Helping is good. But helping without measuring the load is the foolishness. Helping is good. But helping without measuring the load is the foolishness. Array, 2 or 3 bags I can carry. But the remaining you can carry on your own. Meaningful. He is trying to keep my bullock cart is very strong. Yeah, keep all your bags on my head only like that. Now the problem is, తెలుగులో ఒక వండర్ఫుల్ సామెత ఉంటుంది. వదిలే లైవ్ సెషన్ రికార్డింగ్ సెషన్
గాలికి పోయారు.
Stop the recording.
ఈ ఉన్నది పైన ఉంచుకున్నది.
ఎస్ ఓకే. అసలు కొసలు రెండు పోయినాయి కదా. So that's why helping compulsory must be required, but with the wise, okay, that thing must be required.